outfit.
But a battery this big is way too much power for the Dress-O-Matic.
Plug it in.
No, but maybe you shouldn't.
The most powerful Dress-O-Matic in the universe at last. Time for the most retro vibes ever.
Nova, stop!
Dress-O-Matic, take me back. Make me super retro. Nova, don't! What the honk? Whoa, this is just how my sweet used to look. I think have we gone back in time?
Super retro?
Back in time to when?
This is the time we never talk about.
Why don't we talk about it?
I don't want to talk about that.
Why not? What's so...
Nova, come on, it's rehearsal time. Positions. Ready. I'm Gravity Jane.
I'm Photon Faye. And I'm Nova Jones.
And together we are...
Three's the charm. Three's the charm.
Oh, girl.